PinkSale Finance is a decentralized platform that allows users to participate in token pre-sales, providing opportunities to invest in new projects at an early stage. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy a pre-sale token on PinkSale Finance. Create a wallet. To participate in a pre-sale, you will first need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or a similar wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. Connect your wallet. Visit the PinkSale Finance website and connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Follow the instructions to link your wallet securely. Select a pre-sale. Navigate to the Launchpad section on PinkSale to view ongoing or upcoming pre-sales. Choose the token pre-sale you're interested in and read through the project details, tokenomics, and pre-sale conditions. Prepare funds. Ensure you have sufficient BNB or ETH in your wallet to participate in the pre-sale. You will need this to buy the pre-sale tokens. Approve and purchase tokens. Once you've selected a pre-sale, click on the Buy Pre-sale button. Your wallet will prompt a transaction for approval, including fees for liquidity and gas. Confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. Lock tokens. Pre-sale tokens often come with vesting periods or lockup durations. You will receive the tokens after the pre-sale concludes, as per the project's smart contract terms. Monitor and manage. After purchasing, you can monitor the pre-sale progress and community updates. Engage in discussions and stay informed about the project's roadmap and future developments.